Hey guys, what's up? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Let's make money together. I hope everybody's fine and doing great. To all the people who are watching the stream for the very first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Before I begin the weekly analysis, let me do a small recap of what happened last week. Last week, our premium members made more than 7,000 pips worth of profit, and we made it on gold. And these signals were shared in between London to New York sessions, and these are just solely gold. If I take into Bitcoin and other signals, we made more than 20,000 pips of profit. So if you're not in the premium subscription, do join it. We have a Black Friday sale from 23rd November till 30th November, 25% off on monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, and 1 year on premium subscription group, along with the analysis and Discord access. Let's begin the analysis for the weekly gold. Let's go to our weekly time frame. Last weekly, this the last previous two last weeks, we saw that gold was in a bullish momentum, and it was for the very fact because of uncertainty. But since the government shutdown ended and the price of gold surged back up, but last week we got NFP. We got data that was due to release, but because of the government shutdown it was not getting released. But since we got it, price started declining. I'm still overall, my idea for the gold is bearish. Gold is gonna drop down, but it will not be that easy to short the price of gold. So going back to the daily time frame, here we are. Last Thursday we got the data. We got initial jobless claims, which was actually higher, which was actually lower than anticipated, forecasted, which was bullish for gold. But the very fact that the unemployment rate increased by 4.4% and more than 119,000 jobs were added in the market, this was a mixed data. The price of golds uh, dropped down, and it was also because we have lots of uncertainty regarding Ukraine and Russia situation, that whether there's going to be a peace talk or the peace talk will not last. Zelensky will not approve of the ceasefire negotiation. Anyways, last week in my analysis, I said to you guys that we have this trend line and you should buy the price if the price bounces back from the trend line, and if you have a rejection somewhere above the golden zone of Fibonacci 0.618, start selling it too. And as we saw, when we got the NFP, the price did reject above 41.30, and this is the area where we are looking forward to selling again. So this week too, just like the last week, we have a sideway range of more than $150. Try to buy and sell within the sideway range. Now I made this new trend line. It's the daily trend line and the price is bouncing off, so keep an eye on this price range. If the price on Monday open, if the gold price starts to drop down, wait for the price to start showing rejection somewhere around 4073130. Start buying from here. But if you see a bullish momentum, I said again, this week we have lots of stuff going on. If we talk about what we are having this week we are having PPI and retail sale data. After that, we are getting unemployment claims along with PC core index. So pretty much a lot of economic data is releasing. So now, since the government shutdown is over, there are a lot of other factors influencing the price of gold too. So keeping into that in mind, that Zelensky and Putin are gonna sit down. If ceasefire works, the price of gold will further decline. But if he fails to accept the ceasefire agreement, then of course uncertainty will create a bullish momentum, but that will be short lived, because overall the biggest reason for the gold price to drop is that there will not be any rate cut. As far as the news is coming, more Fed members are going for rate pause rather than rate cut, but still Donald Trump is putting a higher than anticipated rate cut, and that's how things are looking forward. There is uncertainty, but I'm saying what we saw last week with gold. I'm still saying gold is more favorable for scalp positions rather than swings. So we are scalping gold, and last week me and premium members made more than 7,000 worth pip of profit on gold, just gold. So I just and yeah, one more thing. Weekly candle, as you can see, weekly is bearish. Last weekly is bearish, and for last Friday candle is bearish. So if the price opened during Sydney, and of course till Tokyo will be open, the price will somehow it will try to recover above 4080. But if on London open we see, or before or during the Tokyo session we see a rejection coming in, the price will rapidly drop down because we are in a sideway range. Again, I said we are in a sideway range. So again, I'm saying 4064 to 4090. This is your key area. Again, I'm saying right now don't buy or sell at this price. Wait for confirmation. If the gold price goes up, wait for a rejection, sell from above 4090, and if the price drops down somewhere around 4030, wait for confirmation and then go for a buy. But if you are trading in Tokyo session just like me, wait for the price to at least make a 1 hourly candle and you will get the direction, and then wait for the support and resistance for further confirmation. But if you don't want to get into all sorts of analysis, join the premium signal group. We have 25% off. Anyways, my weekly analysis is done. If you have any questions, concerns, you can message me. My support team will reach out and try to answer all the questions as soon as possible. I see you guys next week. Since December is coming and the Thanksgiving and Christmas holiday, please try to trade less because there are lots of holidays incoming in December, so gold will be more volatile. I expect gold to drop down, as I said again, but we are in a range, so try to scalp as much as possible. Don't trade, hold your trades. If you're walking away from your computer or your mobile, or you're just going away, taking time off, just book your profit and walk away. Don't let the trades run. I'm saying again, don't let the trades run. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you guys on Monday in London and New York session during live stream. Till then, take care of yourself. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off.